Got a jazzy shirt on. It's cool, right?
I love that shit.
Mashed potatoes, mashed potatoes, mashed potatoes. Huh? Now don't get me wrong, mashed potato needs no amplifying, especially if you've gone for a 50-50 ratio of butter to potato, the way it should be. However, if you want to make it a little extra special, there's 3 ways to do it. So our first flavour combo is chorizo, which we're just going to pop into a warm pan, get those oils releasing, which also means that your mashed potato doesn't need as much butter in the first place, dare I say it. And then we're going to add in some red Leicester just to amp up that beautiful orange hue. Next up, I've taken some antipasti artichokes, popped them in a pan with some crushed garlic, and again, just sauteed them through until they've gone lovely and golden, added in my mashed potato, and then grated on a lovely helping of pecorino for good measure. Don't forget the white pepper. Oh, and finally we've got pancetta, the proper stuff. Let it sizzle away until it's gorgeously golden, and then smooth it through your mashed potato with a generous grating of Comté, that creamy cheese with that salty pancetta. Oh my God, I'm dribbling already. I will caveat as well that this is a great way of just jazzing up shop-bought mashed potato. So you look like you've gone to loads of effort, but actually you've just tipped out 3 packets of micro mash. Hello!